mechanical universe. If you're into mechanical projects and love learning how things work, hammer it into shape and make do with what they parts we use now. Then came the steam power and improved metalworking to create stronger, bearings became quicker, and forward occurred. Even tougher conditions. Exact specification. In today's video works on a modern jaw cast. This is a far cross, and it's a great example of how technology. If you guys are interested in a detailed work and there's I've already posted, just search for it, and you'll. And as always, if you like this video,